First supplementary, Dr. Kannimoji ji.
COVID-19 pandemic was the worst public health emergency witnessed in the recent years. As we are already to tackle any such pandemics in the future is a billion-dollar question. To take effective, timely action, a pandemic preparedness and emergency response fund needs to be established. Sir, the PM CARES Fund was registered as a public charitable trust under the Registration Act 1908 on March 7, 2020, aimed to create a financial reserve to address health emergencies and is still receiving donations. I would like to know from the Honorable Minister through you, sir, the total donations received and spent till date and steps taken by the government to pass new legislation and to formulate internationally legally binding rules and regulations, sir.
Thank you. माननीय मंत्री जी।
अध्यक्ष महोदय, आपके माध्यम से मैं बताना चाहूंगा कि जो ये महामारी और रोकथाम की तैयारी के बारे में तमिलनाडु और देश की तैयारी के बारे में प्रश्न यहाँ पर पूछा गया था और उसके लिए केंद्र सरकार और हमारे स्वास्थ्य विभाग के माध्यम से यहाँ पर जो योजनाएं चलाई जा रही है, जो कि एकीकृत रोग निगरानी कार्यक्रम IDSP के माध्यम से, दूसरी जो योजना है कि त्वरित अनुक्रिया दल RRT एकीकृत प्रणाली, ये भी मौजूद है कि जो भी ऐसी महामारी जो आती है तो उसके रोकथाम के लिए सरकार की तरफ से, राज्य सरकार की मददों से बहुत सारे उपक्रम हम वहां पर कर रहे हैं कि जिससे महामारी को तुरंत काबू में किया जाए।
Second supplementary, Dr. Kani.
Sir, it was about the PM Care Fund is not answered to the question. But
माननीय Honorable Nadda Sahab wants to.
I would like to enlighten the honorable member that the question does not relate to PM Care Fund. The question relates to the preparedness for the pandemic, and the answer given by the minister was very much in detail, which enunciates that the preparedness for any type of pandemic, India has proven under the dynamic leadership of Prime Minister Modi that we have got a very robust system to address the issue of any pandemic which comes.
Second supplementary.
Sir, is not got for it, sir, because the care fund is what has happened, nobody knows
Second
about it. My
supplementary,
second
please.
supplementary. So the WHO's warned the world that 75% of future public health threats are likely to be zoonotic threats, which would be due to the emerging, re-emerging and new pathogens. I would like to know from the Honorable Minister through you, sir, whether the Union government has allocated any funds to establish new state-of-art, any steps taken to diagnose the facilities and to improve core capacities for screening, sample collection and quarantine facilities at the international airports and seaports and establish national biosafety, biosecurity network with advanced to defend against the biological threats emanating from the abroad through land, sea and air, sir.
Thank you.
अध्यक्ष महोदय, जो कि प्रश्न अभी माननीय सदस्य जी ने यहाँ पर पूछा, तो जो हमारे प्रवेश बिंदु है कि एयरपोर्ट के ऊपर 33 मौजूदा स्थान पर पब्लिक हेल्थ यूनिट्स को सुदृढ़ करने का काम जारी है। बहुत सारी जगह पे काम पूरा भी हो गया है और इसके माध्यम से एयरपोर्ट, पोर्ट और लैंड बॉर्डर सभी जगह पर बाहर से विदेशी नागरिक जो आते हैं उन सभी की जांच वहां पर की जाती है और आवश्यकता के अनुसार उनको वहां पर क्वारंटाइन करने की भी व्यवस्था वहां पर की गई।
धन्यवाद।